Okay, so it is like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I've had the laziest morning, but I just needed to do that for me. So I'm in Tokyo again. I've been here for, I think, 48 hours now. This is a 72-hour layover. And I was going to show you all the things, but I just haven't been feeling like it. But I do want to show you. Tonight, I'm going on a night tour in the Shinjuku area. Shinjuku night free walking tour. And it's like where the big gorilla thing is. And I think, in Shinjuku yesterday, but this will be kind of fun because it's this night. Anyway, I'm going with a couple of the other flight attendants, so good times. And come on, I'm gonna take you with me. So we gotta head over to, on the green line, on the JR line. I just have my phone, so I'm not gonna be able to film all the stuff because all the stuff's on my phone. Anyway, we'll see if we can get there. If you're interested in this tour, I found it on TokyoLocalized.com. And yeah, I'm gonna get some snacks. I need some eats, I need some booze, and I need some tours. This is the fit. I got my little overalls on and just a little like tank. It's pretty hot out, so yeah, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I've just messaged the rest of the girls to see where they're at, and then I'm gonna hop the train and I'm gonna bring you with you, and we're gonna see like Asia at night with all the lights, and it's gonna be fun. Yeah. Well, I don't know how many coffees this is, but Starbucks in Tokyo. What up, guys? Welcome back to a video on my YouTube channel. Anyway, I just hit a little goal point for myself, which was 300 subscribers, which is like not a lot, but like a lot. My next goal is to get to 500 by the end of this year, 2023. So if you're watching and you're not subscribed, I would love it if you did. Help me out to get to my next little goal, hang out for my flight attendant adventures or whatever else I decide to make videos about. And thank you, I appreciate it. Okay, let's get into the video. It's the lights. This might be the coolest part of Tokyo I've seen yet. Wandering around at night doing a walking tour.
Don't get lost, okay? Geisha have a more discreet, more fashion.
really couldn't